Okay.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and now lay your shit bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They make me thinking that we could have had it all. The scars of your love, they keep me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Stop it.